Fáilte Orduithe go fáil míle Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Level A1, topic 30, Rannóg 3, Athair agus páiste, ag díriú an Léitheoireacht. Level A1, topic 13, section 3, father and child, focusing on reading. Agus lemúna, Orduithe, a thuairt a páistí agus Orduithe ginearálta a thuairt, giving orders to children and giving orders in general. Beag an bhuíoch Athair agus páiste út an gníomhaíocht seo. You'll need a handout, father and child, for this activity. There's a link in the description box below to the handouts and the notes for the section. Athair agus páiste, father and child. This activity can be done with a partner, and I'll give the directions for doing it with a partner. If you don't have a partner or a study buddy, you can do this alone and read the whole thing aloud by yourself. Lé an córá seo le do partner. Read this conversation with your partner. Léigi uair amháin agus an sin mar le tíogaí ról. Read it once and then switch roles. Dús chuir Gaeilge an bhóclóir seo a leanús. But first, put Irish or translate the following vocabulary. And here's the vocabulary. Dinner, I'm hungry, cold, food, hands, fingers, dessert, fridge. Dinner, diner, I'm hungry, tá ocras orm, cold, four, food, bia, hands, lava, fingers, mera, dessert, milseog, fridge, Krishnor. Má tá partner no study buddy agat. If you have a partner or a study buddy, ba cheartaíomh an tagalamh a chleachta le chéile uair amháin. You should practice conversation or the interview together once. An sin ba cheartaíomh roil a bháil or two, and then you should switch roles. Mana bhfuil fan anseo agus rachamí tríd le chéile dús. If not, stay and we'll go through it together first. An dara uair is mise an Athair, tosa an páiste. An tríú uair is mise an páiste agus tosa an Athair. So we'll go through it several times. The second time, I'll be the father and you'll be the child. And the third time, I'll be the child and you'll be the father. Tishmahor, a chonacha, taron sha. Páiste, cén fá, cad chuige, cad in a héamh. Each of these are different ways of saying why. Cén fá, cad chuige, cad in a héamh. Taran seo, tá do dhéanaar réig. Come here, your dinner is ready. Tá do dhéanaar réig. Ach níl ocras orm, but I'm not hungry. Táiristeach agus brostigurt, beg do dhéanaar fuair. Come in and hurry. Your dinner will be cold. Níl me a géirí ithe, níl an bia sin go deas. I don't want to eat. This food isn't nice. Ná bí dána, sin bia math full-on. Don't be bold or don't be naughty. Dána is naughty or bold. That's good healthy food. Ag ligan anála fruistachas, letting out a frustrated sigh. Ní do lámh is solas a hiictú síos. Wash your hands before you sit down. Cén fá, why? Tá siad salach, sin an fá. They're dirty, that's why. Ceart go leor, okay. Ná hith le do bhéire, don't eat with your fingers. Cén fá? Is ús go beo nó ní bheidh aon bhilseog agat. Eat up quickly or you won't have any sweets or dessert. Go beo we covered in the last section means be lively, do it quickly. Níl sé sin fearáilte, ní mailim hu. That's not fair. I don't like you. Ná bí ag caint nuair atá tú ag ithe. Dún the veil. Don't be talking when you're eating. Close your mouth. Féach, tá mé críochnaithe. Look, I'm finished. Mahan bhuachal. No mahan chalín. Good boy or good girl. Cábhfuil an bhilseog. Where's the dessert? Fáil as an gcuisneoir é. Mahu. Get it out of the fridge. Good for you. Good job. Mahu. Good job. Páiste seach Léitheoireacht. Sin go deas. Chocolate cake. That's nice. So there are a couple of things here. Mahu, good job. Dún the veil literally means close your mouth. And I'm assuming in this case they're saying, to close your mouth and don't be talking while you have food in your mouth. But it can also mean shut up. Dún the veil or dún the chlab, shut up. Anish, is Misha an Athair tosa an páiste. And now I'll be the father and you'll be the child and we'll read through it together. A chonaiche, tar an seo. Tar an seo, tá the dhéine réig. Taristeach agus brostigurt, beag the dhéine fuair. Ná bí dána, sin bia ma foláin. Ní the láva sala sihi tú sias. Tá siad salach, sin an fá. Ná hit le de bhéire. Is sús go beo, nó ní bheidh aon bhilseog agat. Ná bí ag caint nuair atá tú ag ithe, dún the veil. Mahan buachal, mahan chalín. Fáil as an gcuisneoir é, mahu. Agus anish is Misha an páiste agus tosa an Athair, and now I'll be the child and you can be the father. Cén fá? Ach, níl ochras orm. Níl me ag éirí ithe, níl an bia sin go deas. Cén fá? Ceart go leor. Cén fá? Níl sé sin fearáilte, ní mailim hu. Féach, tá mé críochnaithe. Cábhfuil an bhilseog. Páiste seach Léitheoireacht, tá sin go deas. Beag an bhuileog páiste agus an Gaeilge uat an gníomhaíocht seo. You'll need the handout Children and Irish for this activity. Tá go leor termí grá sa Gaeilge. There are lots of terms of endearment in Irish. Termí grá, terms of endearment. Úsáidte iad go minic nuair a bhíonn tuismitheoirí ag labhairt as Gaeilge le páiste. They are used quite often when parents are talking to children in Irish. Lé na termí se a leanas, read the following terms. A storín means darling. A fata, pet. A bhuirnín, sweetheart. A haisce, my treasure. And, we don't translate them literally as these things, but in general, they're all terms of endearment and can be used interchangeably. Inis, lé an chóra a ríis agus chur termí grá isteach sa chóra in áiteanna iarúnacha. And now, read the conversation again and put in terms of endearment in the conversation in appropriate places. Cad iad na termí grá a úsáidtear i the cheanga féin? What are the terms of endearment that they use in your own language? Cad is sprílo? What do they mean? Páiste agus an Gaeilge, children and Irish. Tá taithí ag páistí in Éireann Orduithe agus Treoracha a fháil as Gaeilge. So children in Ireland have experienced receiving orders and instructions in Irish. Is í an Gaeilge teanga nab iarmúil na scoile chomh. So Irish is also the informal language of the school. Tugan múntóirí Orduithe de fáistí I rihan lé trí Gaeilge, fiú las muid den cheacht Gaeilge. So teachers give orders to children during the day through Irish and even outside the Irish lesson. So Irish is, the language of instruction in a way. For example, Os glígi bhuair leabhar, open your books. Tógagi amach bhuair lom, take out your lunches. Déanagi líne, make a line. Tégi amach, go out. Feigi bhuair goti, get your coats. Bon scoilne na hÉireann, elementary schools in Ireland, or primary schools in Ireland. In Ireland, we call them primary schools as opposed to elementary schools. Tá 8 rang sa bhanscoil, na ní náin hóisireacha, na ní náin hínseireacha agus rang a héin go dtí a sé. So there are 8 classes in the primary school, junior infants, senior infants, and classes 1 to 6. Bíonn múntóir amháin ag gach rang de ghná, agus muineann an múntóir gach ábhar. So each class usually has 1 teacher, and the teacher teaches every subject. An féidir leat smaoineamh aon treoracha nó orduithe eile a chuiseach páiste scoil. Can you think of any other instructions or commands that a child would hear at school? Tá go leor Gaelscoileanna in Éireann chomh. There are also many all-Irish schools in Ireland. Is tá is scoil lán Gaeilge nó scoil a bhúnann na hábhar tríbheán na Gaeilge. So an all-Irish school is a school that teaches all subjects through the medium of Irish. Tá na scoileanna seo las muid den Gaeltacht. These schools are outside of the Gaeltacht area. Tá tuairim is 10 míle dalta ag freastal scoileanna lán Gaeilge. So there are approximately 40,000 pupils attending all Irish schools. Is í an Gaeilge teanga teagasc na scoileanna agus an teanga chumarsáide idir na múntóirí, na daltaí, na tuismitheoirí agus na bord bhainisteachta. So Irish is the language of instruction and the language of communication between the teachers, the students, the parents, and the boards of management. An bhfuil scoileanna mar sin I do thír féin, sin le rá scoileanna aimíonn trí bhean teanga. Are there schools like this in your own country? Schools that operate in a minority language? Agus sin deire le Rannóg go trí Athair agus páiste, and that's the end of section 3, Father and Child, ag múna Orduithe agus Orduithe generálta a thabhairt fáistí agus daoine. So teaching, giving orders to children and orders in general. Tá na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil in éanacht le cóid fuaimne agus nasca na Quizlet, suíomh lús cartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course, along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Teastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website simplyjacintha.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas do Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to Teastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use, the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Asúlgam gur bhain sibh tanna bhas. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.